Alright, today we are blacking out the housing, halos, and the bulb.
No idea.
Steven's right there, those are his headlights. 2015 Subaru WRX. And we put it in the oven for 6 minutes, and then this just come off. Took the housing off of the lens, like that. So it's off. Then we're gonna spray paint it black, I think. This is the sea light. Goes here. This is Steven, by the way. That's his Subaru, and he got the halos too. It's gonna look sick. He spent what, 400?
Yeah, like 420.
Damn, for all of this, 420. But I mean, it's legit. You can has the power and everything. I mean, the bank or whatever it's called. Resistor or whatever.
Yeah, that's the Bluetooth controller to change the colors.
For sure.
How's all of them?
All of that. I'm gonna black out the housing again. It's gonna look sick, bro. Alright, now this thing has 3 screws here. You take the covers off with a flathead, and then keep loosening them, and then you release that one from the booth, and they should just come right off. Okay, never mind. I need to release that booth too, just like this one. And it keeps raining, stopping, all that stuff. This is Steven's car. That's Dom's, and that's mine. Not this one, the black one. Yeah, should be fine. Just release the boot, this comes off, and I already showed you how to take the housing off the cover. We're gonna paint this housing and the one that we took off the lens. Sorry, not the cover. We took off the lens and paint them matte black. We are doing these gloss black and those ones that are on the lens matte black, because the light wants to reflect off these. I mean, it's still gonna be black, but it's gonna be gloss black, so at least it reflects a little bit more than matte black. Yeah, so I'm gonna take this off. I already showed you and everything, and we're just gonna get to the painting. So we connected these to double check, and it has the app. So this is what it is. Subispeed Morimoto. That's the Bluetooth, and those are the, I don't know what it's called, but the voltage of the battery needs to match that, and these make sure that happens. Some sort of fuse box as well.
I brought it out here because I was.
And we got the sea light in there. We got the halo. Test fitting it. So you can either go with this route, which cost them 420, or do Subispeed lights that are here. But I mean, this is a little bit.
The ones that'll work. That's what you do.
But this is fun because you do it yourself, and you can like paint it whatever color you want. You know, you have more customizing option. That's just, they sell it. But this one, you can do whatever you want to it, so it's less limitations for this one, which is always more fun. But right now we're gonna paint these. Alright, we're dremeling the side, still clearing.
That's to get the wires from the halo back to behind the housing. So
Real quick.
We'll go grab the.
That looks nice.
Go grab the halo to see if that will be enough. We might have to make it a little bit bigger.
Then drill some holes, and we got fishing wire.
Yeah.
To hold the halos with the fishing wire. I think that's pretty sick, because you can't even see it. It's tiny and stuff. I'm painting that. That looks nice. That's gloss.
Yeah, I know, they're fucking dicks.
And then that piece, as you guys saw, is painted matte black. It's gonna look nice. And then we're gonna do this one. We mask tape the orange side marker or reflector, and then matte black, gloss black. That one's almost done. And yeah.
Let's get it.
Alright, this is where the Bluetooth connects to. So whichever one of these you connect, it doesn't matter. Whatever you want to connect to, whatever is fine. This one, it doesn't even match what we're using for. So this is in a whole different story. This is for like some other shit if you want to add to your headlight. But right now we added to 3, and this 3 comes down here, comes up here, and connects us to these, and these are only for the halos. Alright, only for the halos. The orange one we don't use because this can be connected to something else, like for example for the C lights that go like this. These called C lights, these, and the halo is over there for us. So these C light, for that, since it's gonna be the turn signal, the orange one is going to be wired up to turn signals red or positive. So this one we already put the ground in the black one and positive into the red one right here, right there. It's all connected nicely. These, I mean, it looks so jank as fuck because it's electric tape, but I think that looks, I prefer that and how it behaves over this. I can solder it for him, but then taking it off, he has to cut the lines, and let's just redoing this because it's the same thing. Doesn't matter. So yeah, this doesn't connect to anywhere for halos. We already connected the red and black piece into this harness. I think this harness he had to do it himself from the battery because he already has like neons and stuff. And then we putting that 3M taping it on the bottom of this, so it's gonna all be tucked away. But check out that halo though. That thing's bright, alright? It's super bright. Let me clean this. It's bright as hell, bro. And it's just such a nice white. He can change it, he can make it go turn on and off, like tweaking shit. Any color he wants, he can have it. So that's that for halos. C-lamp. The yellow one's gonna go to turn signal. So when you turn this turn signal on, it triggers it. And let's see what Dom's doing. Alright, we wired everything up. It's a mess, but that's just how it is. Look at this thing.
Look, and then you can look. Like, that looks like a cop, bro. Look, yeah, I can strobe him, bro.
Cause that's your turn signal. It has to go that side.
Oh yeah. So
but can't you make your turn signal like?
I think like
red
it'll be. I think it'll be like orange.
Okay. Like by default.
Oh, I can speed it up. Oh my god.
Can you do that one tweaking and this one tweaking too?
I thought so. I don't know, bro.
Damn, that's nice though.
I think so. That's because that's messing with that.
Do both purple? Like dark purple?
Both of them purple?
Or both white?
Okay, wait, stop.
Ooh, dude, that's legit, bro.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna go in full depth of that because there are videos on it, right?
Yeah.
We're just showing you how it is.
Yeah, there's both of them. Strobing like that. Look at dark purple. They could go like real slow.
Oh, matching too? They match?
Yeah, right now they do. Because I got 2 and 3 matching.
Oh, that's sick how it works.
But like if I can turn that off and change the color of one of them.
What if you do black and red? Since it doesn't match, we could do black, blue and red.
Blue and red? So
well, one of them's red already.
Okay,
just do that one.
I'll make this one.
Do blue and red.
That's weird.
You probably need to fuck around with the app to learn a little bit.
Yeah. Now they're both green. Oh my gosh, bro, that's so. I can make them fade slow too. Look at.
Ooh, that sounds show car shit.
Car show?
Yeah, but it's just like a show car.
Yeah. don't get what that does though. Does that make them both together?
That's cool though, yeah. We gotta finish wiring that and we still have to seal this.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. It's sick, bro. Alright, over here we got Dom and Steven going ham at the assembly and reassembling the whole headlight. So we got the housing on the lens with the halo or the O-ring, and then the C lamp is on there. Looks pretty official. And they putting that in there. And that housing goes in the housing, the cover. And now they putting it in the oven with the adhesive or the sealer. And this is what he got. You've seen it. It's pretty cool. You kind of stretch it out, put it in the oven for 7 minutes. What's the temperature?
200.
200. Cool. So now we wait. Look at those fishes, real quick, guys. Have you guys seen fish this big? Like, these fishes are huge. 10 years? Look at my finger.
Yeah.
Can we put tester or no? The other one's not together.
See what's going in the hole. Documenting all this shit. Dude, nice. Yeah, something like that sits under, and then this thing that we took off with the clips back here, gonna go on top of the seat, like the aftermarket one.
All I know is get tired. I've been going, what a flight, what I start. I can't slow down for no Audi Bob. I'm just too wild, I'm a naughty dog. Yeah, I gotta go. Sorry, ma, I gotta put you on hold. She said, well, she let me
Dinner's ready. It's out of the oven, and we just put the cover on. I was doing that, so I kind of missed it.
We can do. We can get some video of us putting that one together better.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do that.
Just have to make sure everything is clipped, the sealant's warm, and then just push them together, and then we'll put it back in the oven, right?
Let's do those first.
Oh, and then there's.
Putting the hardware back on. That's it.
All right.
This is the headlight done. Damn, feels good to say it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
How many hours down?
We started at 10 and it's 6:30 at night, and still not in the car.
Including the bumper and all that stuff. And Home Depot runs and you know the vibes. You know the vibes. Alright, everything's plugged in. We just need to put everything back on and the bumper. But I'm dipping, so these guys are gonna deal with the rest. But we did all the wiring harness. Woo! Do some crazy shit, I don't know.
Should I do some with the colors?
Oh, turn it on, turn it on.
Turn it on.
Turn it on, come out, chill out, alright? Come out. Let me see you.
No, turn the hazards off.
You fuck. That's cool. The peach color.
Oh, that's dope. They look like Hawkeye lights now. That's sick. I close your door. It's getting soaked.
They do look like Hawkeyes, huh?
Yeah, that's sick.
Looks so clean. You can't even tell we put anything in there. I mean, maybe a little bit.
I mean, all you gotta do is clean up the headlight now. Then you're good.
Yep.
That's sick.
Well, make sure you guys don't fuck up nothing.
Alright.
Bet. So this is it. Hopefully you guys found it interesting or
shit.
somehow helpful. But yeah,
Why is this on?
it's raining.
Yeah.
That's.
I'ma dip out. These guys gonna put it back on because I gotta go somewhere. You guys gotta put it back on and everything.
No, don't do it. Did you?
It went more smoother than I thought. You just gotta know the wiring, like where everything goes exactly by heart. You can't just like try to do it. Figure it out first and then do it.
Yeah, so I've got a blinker out on this side.
Peace.